All right, we'll finish putting this tire and tube back together. Part 2. Going like this with the tire iron. That's the rim. That's the tire up there. And levering it on there like that. Okay, small bites. We bring another one into the mix here. Maybe. Yeah, that should do it right there. And we're home. Alright. That inner tube stem is good there. And I can wiggle that around. Make sure there's no tube pinching in there. I'm ready to soap up those beads with some dishwashing soap and seed them. Let's go for it. And one more time with the bead seed, a little more soap on that other side there. We'll show that. Right here. This side seeded good. That's got to pop out yet. Got her. That's it. I'll snug down that valve stem and bring her down to about 9. Gonna run it at 9 pounds. And that's everything. I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna shut her off right now. Had to make this a 2-part video. Probably the most difficult video I've ever tried to make. Motorcycle tires went a lot easier for me. These almost impossible to get completely off of the rim. Wasn't an issue for me because I'm just putting tubes in, so I don't even want to take them completely off the rim. I believe I'd find a way to do it if I actually had to someday when I actually have to change these tires. I'm Dead Wolf. I'm out. Thanks for being there. I hope this was helpful. It can be done with tire irons. It'll save you a ton of money if you can learn how to do this stuff for yourself. All right. Thanks for being there.